My friends, in this review I will show you this one flashlight from Xtar T2. I have also this one T1, but it's like keychain flashlight, multifunctional RGB plus ultraviolet plus this one food. But this one is like palm size EDC flashlight with built-in Type-C charging. I want to show you. Yeah, we have Type-C. Here we have magnet, and that's interesting for working. Here it have three main modes: 50, 130 and 650. Without stabilizer, of course, even need. You see press and hold, short press for changing mode, press and hold for off, but double click, and we have three Monolight modes. So that's 2, 4 and 6 lumens. Press and hold for off, triple click for strobe, and 5 clicks for lockout. You see? And it works. So in complete we have Type-C and this one cable handbands. Let's see some samples how it works. So at first let's check tin. For right side we have natural white skill hunt, and it's really warm, cause Xtar, it's really cold. I think about 6,000 kelvins. And this one ordinary using indoor in some dark place. It can be really useful. And also don't forget about magnet. That's cool. So it's like EDC flashlight, small but powerful. You can charge from any power bank, you can charge from any phone charger via Type-C cable, and I think it's not bad if you don't have keychain flashlight, if you don't want to use full size flashlight. This one it's not bad, but it costs, for my opinion, a lot, about $50 now on AliExpress, and only cold white, not high cream. In description would be a link where you can buy it, would be a link for my text review with graphics, with measures, other things. And about Xtar T2, that's all. I will show you something other strange. It's new zoomable flashlight from Klaus. It cost about the same, $50. We have a lot of flashlight here, but what most of interesting, it can work from different types of battery, with Li-ion and with this one ordinary batteries with adapter. Review of it would be, I think, in a week or about it. So put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see this review. That's all. Bye bye.